A very welcome back to all of you students. I am your SST teacher Vandana Joshi and you are watching SST June. So students, today we are going to start our next chapter in civics, that is chapter 5. Chapter name is Women Changed the World. Students, in earlier video you have studied about one more chapter which is related to the gender inequality, that is growing up as boys and girls. So students, in this chapter also we will study about the condition of women in the past and in the present. So students, to know more about this chapter, let's start the first topic of the chapter, that is who does what work. Students, as already I told you in our previous video that it is the responsibility to complete the householding works of the women, and the outside work which are related to market and job one, that is should be completed by the male person. So what does the topic is saying? The topic is saying us about the responsibilities which are started to set up by the society, how they are distributed equally in the male and the female, but what is the difference in that? So to know more about that, please open page number 55 in your book. Students, if you will see, here is a chart which has been given in your book. If you will see in this chart what you have to do, beta. See in this it has written who does what work, in which you have to draw some images. If you will see down of that box, it has written a farmer, here a factory worker, here a nurse, here a scientist, here a pilot, and here a teacher. And then after that, students, what you have to do, you have to collect the data of all your friends and you have to fill in that. If you will see in this category, if you will fill that how many images of male persons are came of the teacher, यानी कि सारी क्लास का डाटा कलेक्ट होने के बाद आप इसमें देख सकते हैं कि कितनी जो मेल इमेजेस हैं वो टीचर की हैं और कितनी फीमेल की हैं. फार्मर में मेल इमेजेस कितनी हैं, फीमेल इमेजेस कितनी हैं, एंड यू हैव टू कंप्लीट इट इन ऑन दैट सेम वे. गेटिंग? So what you will get, what is the benefit of filling that in this index? Let's see what is the benefit of filling in that. Students, if you will see the example of Roji ma'am's class, what has been drawn by the students, let's see here in that category are there are total 6 category as a teacher, farmer, factory worker, nurse, scientist, and as a pilot. So students, if you will see in the male images, the total male images of teacher only 5, farmer they have all 30 students has drawn 30 male images of farmer. Then after that, if you will see the factory workers, there are total 25 factory workers as a male images. Nurse, there are no male images in nurse category. And the scientist one, there are 25 male images in scientist category. And if you will see as a pilot, there are only 27 male images in pilot. And if you will consider as a female student, the total 25 images are considered as a teacher in a female category. Farmer, no image as a female. Factory worker, there are total 5 images as a female. Nurse, all 30 are female. Scientist, there are only 5 images drawn as a female scientist. And if you will see at last, the pilot one, only 3 images are there as a female worker. So why this much difference in that images? Students, if you will see that already it has been decided by our society. If you will see in our society, family, even in schools, the girls are supposed to study or supposed to do or supposed to choose those works those are related to little bit less burden and which are little bit mild one. ओके, यानी कि जो काम थोड़े से इजी होते हैं, जिनमें ज़्यादा टफ वर्क नहीं होता है, बट जो केयरिंग वे के वर्क होते हैं वो ज़्यादातर फीमेल मेंबर्स को दिए जाते हैं. एंड इफ़ यू विल सी as a male person, if you have seen in that image also that mostly the technical and the mechanical work, यानी कि जो भी technical और mechanical work होते हैं, these are completed by only male person. उन्हें कौन complete करते हैं? Male person करते हैं. So it is students, it is already decided by our stereotype that on the work which has been done by girls, it should be little bit soft और थोड़ा सा आसानी से करने वाले काम होने चाहिए गर्ल्स के लिए. एंड इफ़ यू विल टॉक अबाउट द बॉयज़, एज अर्ली टाइम ऑल्सो द बॉयज़ वर गेटिंग मच प्रायोरिटी टू कंप्लीट द वर्क इन द टेक्निकल एंड द मैकेनिकल वे. यानी कि जो बॉयज़ होते थे उनको ज़्यादातर टेक्निकली वर्क सिखाए जाते थे, मैथमेटिक्स की पढ़ाई कराई जाती थी, एंड द साइंस दे यूज टू स्टडी द साइंस, द मैथमेटिक्स एंड दीज टाइप ऑफ सब्जेक्ट. एंड गर्ल्स are supposed to study especially the home science, the biology and the subjects which are related to their in upcoming future lives. इस तरीके के जो सब्जेक्ट से गर्ल जो होती थी स्टूडेंट्स, उनको पढ़ने को बोले जाते थे. इवन इफ़ यू विल सी द सिनेरियोज द सेम इन द दिस टाइम, इफ़ यू विल सी लाइक एनी फंक्शन इज़ इन स्कूल. I'm just giving an example. The girls are supposed to do dance, music and these type of activities, and boys are supposed to do the karate activities, some sports type activities. These are done by the boys. Even beta, if you will see in any family function, the girls are doing the work जो कि थोड़ा सा डांस एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़, दीज आर कम्प्लीटेड बाय द गर्ल्स. एंड इफ़ यू विल सी व्हाट आर द बॉयज़ एक्टिविटीज़, दे आर जस्ट इंजॉइंग, वो इंजॉय करते हैं. बट दोज आर द यंगर वन और एल्डर वन. इफ़ यू विल सी द डिफरेंस इन दैट, जो यंगर होते हैं वो इन्जॉयमेंट करते हैं, एंड जो एल्डर्स वन होते हैं वो हाउस होल्डिंग जितने भी उसको मैनेज करने के काम होते हैं, बाहर के जितने भी हाउस होल्डिंग्स वर्क को मैनेज करने के काम होते हैं, उन सबको कौन करते हैं? जो थोड़ा बड़े बच्चे होते हैं, स्पेशली द बॉयज़. द गर्ल्स आर सपोज टू डू ओनली द अटेंडिंग द फंक्शंस एंड दे शुड कंप्लीट द वर्क्स विच आर गिवन इनसाइड द होम. ओके, यानी कि जो घर के अंदर के काम होते हैं फैमिली फंक्शन में भी वो गर्ल्स ही करती हैं, और बाहर के काम कौन करता है? बॉयज़ करते हैं. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड वाई द गर्ल्स आर गेटिंग डिफरेंट वर्क्स and why the boys are getting different works. Okay, so students, if you have seen in Roji ma'am's class, there is a quite difference, बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस आपको देखने को मिलेगा if you will compare the works which has been completed by male person and the jobs which are being completed by the female person. So why it is better? See, the opportunities and the expectation which has been done by the women's, these are little bit less. क्योंकि जो women's होती हैं स्पेशली ये माना जाता है कि they should complete their householding work. If they are going to do job outside, so what they have to do, they must have to do those type of jobs which are just for the females. Okay, so let's see how they are getting this type of discrimination, how it has came in the society's mind. Let's see. See beta, if you can see on the board here, I have shown a story of a girl which is a engine driver named Lakshmi. So students, how she is doing as a work as an engine driver, because that should be done by only the male person. Students, actually the difference which we have seen in many areas, even which we have seen in Roji ma'am's class, it has been came from our society only. Why? Actually the opportunities which are provided to a female, there are very less opportunities to the women's. यानी कि जो opportunities women's को दी जाती हैं वो बहुत ही कम दी जाती हैं. तो इसी वजह से जो वुमेंस हैं वो ज़्यादा डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड होती हैं. इवन द जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन एक्सटेंड इन आवर फैमिली, सोसाइटी एंड एज वेल एज इन स्कूल्स. स्टूडेंट्स, द बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स आर गिवन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एक्सेल इन डिफरेंट फील्ड्स. यानी कि जो बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स हैं उनको जो भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ दी जाती हैं कंप्लीट करने के लिए, वो डिफरेंट फील्ड्स में दी जाती हैं. एज ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड यू few minutes ago. And see students, the boys especially, they are encouraged to do mechanical or technical fields where they have to do their work in the different way, because as we are saying that boys are physically strong than the women's, so that's why the mechanical technical works are done by the boys. And if we see that the girls, whereas if you see the girls, they are supposed to select some easy things, as I told you that home science and these type of subjects, it should be chosen by the girls. Okay, and it is showing a discrimination on every way. Okay, even if you will see the girls, they are supposed to complete their studies अर्ली, यानी कि लड़कियों को बोला जाता है कि आप अपनी जल्दी जल्दी पढ़ाई ख़त्म करो, एंड दे आर इनकरेज टू सी देयर फैमिली आफ्टर मैरिज, यानी कि लड़कियों की ज़्यादा पढ़ाई नहीं कराई जाती है, और जैसे उनकी पढ़ाई कंप्लीट होती है देन आफ्टर दैट दे सपोज टू डू मैरिज. ओके, यानी कि उनकी शादी कर दी जाती है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, सम differences are there in that story now, because earlier time the girls were not getting time to studies, but few girls were there, those were doing their studies because they were belonging from the good family, those were the little bit prosperous. So let's see how they got the opportunity to do studies. So students, to know about learning for change, here are two stories of Ruqayya Shekhawat and Ramabai, through which you will become to know how the women got the opportunity. First, let's see how the girls got the opportunity. As I told you that nowadays we are seeing at least equal number in schools. Even the government has started many policies for girls and many schemes through which the girls can get the free education till their senior secondary in schools. And if they are going for the higher education, for that also the government is supporting financially to the girl child. Okay, so students, this is the current scenario, but the earlier one scenario, यानी कि जो पहले की scenario था, it was quite different. How? Because earlier the girls are not supposed to do studies outside. If they are belonging from a prosperous or a rich family, they have to complete their study in their home only. So from that only few women were there, those have completed their studies in their home. So here we will see two scenes which have been given in your civics book. So let's see what was the story of Ruqayya Shekhawat and Ramabai. So students, if you will see in the caption which has been given in page number 59, there is a story of Ramabai. Later she was known as Pandita Ramabai. So students, she has been shown in the picture with her daughter. If you can see in this story, she is saying that she never went to school but learned to read and write from her parents. Actually, that time, if the parents were sending to their girl child to school, they also be scolded by the society. Okay, so students, she learned reading and writing from her parents, and then later she took a title as Pandita, which means नोबल, और जो कि आप पंडिता का मीन्स होता है जो विद्वान होता है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, इफ यू हैव सीन द वर्क्स विच हैज़ बीन डन बाय पंडिता रमाबाई, शी हैज़ स्टार्टेड many institution, and later she has done work in the favor and welfare of the women's education. And in the another scenario of Ruqayya Shekhawat, what she is writing, let's see. Students, if you will see, Ruqayya Shekhawat Hussain is also belonging from that time at which time the women are not getting any opportunity to do studies. So she was born into a rich family, and after that she has studied the languages like Bangla and English as well as the Urdu. She has learned these things in her home only. Okay, so students, while she has written a book, Ladyland, in that she has explained her thoughts, whatever she was thinking that time for the ladies. In that she has written many things about the ladies, in which she has written the women's flying planes, and cars even before girls were being allowed to go to school. यानी कि जो विमेंस हैं इन फ्यूचर, यानी कि लेडी लैंड में विमेंस प्लेन चला रही है, कार चला रही हैं, इवन जो गर्ल्स हैं उनको स्कूल जाने के लिए भी अलाउ कर दिया गया है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, it is showing that how the girls were discriminated that time and what was the thinking of the girls, how they have to do their work outside. यानी कि जो गर्ल्स थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड थी, तो उनके जो दिमाग था, यानी कि उनके जो सपने भी थे वो ये थे कि एक दिन वो ये कामों को कर सकें. ओके. Even student, I am also showing to one more story, that is of Xavier's story. He was happy with the result of his class 10th board exam, and after that he want to choose his subject as history and languages, but his parents are not agreed with him because they are thinking that he must be studied with science and maths. As the view of Xavier, he is saying that he has not scored so much good marks in science and maths, so why he should study these type of subjects which are not scoring for himself. सो यहाँ पे देखो बच्चों, वो क्या कह रहा है कि जो मार्क्स, जिन सब्जेक्ट में उसके मार्क्स ज़्यादा हैं वो उन सब्जेक्ट्स को पढ़ना चाहता है, बट हिज फादर इज सेइंग दैट ही हैज़ टू बी स्टडी ओनली मैथ्स एंड साइंस. So students, in that condition what happens? So students, as you can see in the story of Ramabai and Ruqayya Shekhawat Hussain, or the story of Xavier, what is in that story? Students, Ruqayya and Ramabai both are females and they were not got opportunity to go to school, but still they have learned the things and they expelled that how the women can change the world. But if you will see the story of Xavier, he is a boy, even he wants to study the subject history and language as his main subject, but because it's a society decision that the boys must study the subjects math and science, और उसके फादर भी यहाँ पे उससे बोलते हैं कि वो मैथ्स एंड साइंस पढ़ेगा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज शोइंग टू थिंग्स. व्हाट फर्स्ट, दैट द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन बिटवीन बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स, दैट द बॉयज़ मस्ट हैव टू स्टडी the technical or the mechanical subjects as their subjects, and girls are supposed to study the simple subject, those are related to the art subject. But students, if you will see, one more thing is there. It is showing to us that if a boy wants to study any subjects which are a little bit easy for him, but he is not getting opportunity to study that because of the burden which has been given to him by the family or the society. यानी कि अगर बच्चा चाहे भी तो वो अपनी मर्जी से उन सब्जेक्ट्स को नहीं पढ़ सकता, बिकॉज इट इज़ अ शो बिजनेस फॉर द फैमिली दैट माई बॉय इज स्टडिंग मैथ्स और साइंस एज अ सब्जेक्ट. So students, it is not good for them, those are not feeling okay in these subjects. Okay, so students, here you can see two things. What first is the interest of the boy or girls in which subject, यानी कि उसका इंटरेस्ट किस में है, वो क्या पढ़ना चाहता है. Second, it is showing a discrimination which has been decided by our society and our stereotype which has already set up by our एंसेस्टर और अवर सोसाइटी, यानी कि जो हमारे पहले पूर्वज हैं या फिर हमारी जो सोसाइटी है उसने जो स्टीरियोटाइप यानी कि एक रूढ़िवादिता फिक्स कर दी है कि दैट बॉयज़ must study the science subject or maths or the technical and the mechanical subject as his subjects, and the girls supposed to study only that subjects which are easy for her and which can be less burden for her, like home science she has to be studied, like drawing, like music. These subjects the society has decided to स्टडी फॉर द गर्ल्स, यानी कि गर्ल्स जो हैं इन तरीके के सब्जेक्टों की अगर स्टडी करेंगी सो दे कैन बी कैपेबल, मोर कैपेबल फॉर देयर फ्यूचर लाइफ आफ्टर द मैरिज. सो स्टूडेंट्स, here you have seen which type of discrimination are started for the women's, and if you will see, it is a stereotype gender wise. Okay, so students, to more about this chapter, the women change the world, how the women change the world, and what happened next in that chapter, keep watching SST June.